Hello dear students, this is a video of class 6th and in this video I will discuss chapter number 6 MS Word working with tables. So you can see children in the previous class I've already discussed inserting a row and column in a table. After creating table you have inserted how to insert row and column, changing column width and row height. We have also learned deleting cells, row, column or table. So in this class children, I will discuss about merging. What is merging cells in MS Word? Steps for merging cells. Then I will discuss about what is splitting cells in MS Word and steps for splitting cells. So let us see what is merging cells in MS Word. Merging means to combine two or more cells to create a new larger cell. Merging combines two or more cells of the table to create a new larger cell. So what are the steps of merging? You can see to merge cells, we follow these steps. Step 1, select the adjacent cells to be merged. You have to select the cells which need to be merged. Then step 2, right click and choose merge cells option from the menu that appears. So this will be clear from the practical. So let us open MS Word. Please wait children, it will open. Now first you will see I will first you have to create a table so that you can use merging and splitting of cells. So click on insert, click on table and you can draw a table of 3 rows and 4 columns. There are 3 rows, first row, second row and third row. And there are 4 columns, first column, then second column, then third column, then fourth column. Okay. Now let me adjust its size so that it will be clear to you. 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Suppose I have to write the heading in the first row and I want to merge all the cells of the first row. I have to merge it. Merging means combining 2 or more cells so that it can become a large cell. Okay. It will be merged, it will combine and it will become a large cell. So what are the steps for merging? You have to select the cells which you want to merge, then right click here and click on merge cells. Here you will see click on merge cells. All the cells will be merged. Now you can write the heading in this cell. Okay, so this is a very simple step children. Now you can also, let me undo it. You can also merge it by another method. You select the cells, click on layout option and you can see there are many options: delete, insert, merge cells, split cells. Okay, so you can click on merge cells. All the cells will be merged. Understood? Now coming to the next topic, splitting of cells. Next topic is splitting of cells in MS Word. Splitting cells means dividing a single cell into multiple cells. You have to divide a single cell into multiple cells. It is just opposite to merge cells. Splitting and merging both are opposite to each other. Now, what are the steps for splitting cells? Cells can be split into a number of smaller cells by following these steps. Step 1, we click within the cell that we want to split. Now, right click and choose split cells. you have to choose split cell options from the menu that appears. You right click on that cell and choose split cells option from the menu that appears. A dialog box will appear there. Okay, and then next step, you can enter the number of rows and columns into which we want to split the cell, and then click OK. In this way you can split the cells. So let us see here. Let me undo it. Suppose this is the table which I have created. Now I need to split this cell. I need to split this first cell. Right click here and you can select split cells. Now how many rows and how many columns you want to split it? So I want to create 3 columns inside that cell. Row will be 1 and columns will be 3. Okay, now click on OK. You can see 3 columns has been created. So this cell is split into 3 parts. Okay, or suppose you have merged all these cells. Suppose you have merged all these cells. Now you want to split this cell into 2 equal halves. What you will do, right click on split cells. Now you will write number of columns 2, click on OK. So it will be split up into 2 cells. Okay. So in this way, children, you can merge the cells, you can split the cells. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss some another topic. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day. I hope you have understood this topic.